All right, John, we have another question for you. So this is something that we've heard, but generally, does commercial real estate do better than residential real estate? And if yes, then why?
It's two different worlds. It's like saying baseball and football. They're both sports, they're both large, but they don't necessarily intertwine, right? Even though they both get, they both have players, they both have owners, they both have TV contracts, but they're not the same, right? So commercial real estate that is not residential is a completely different world than
Mm,
residential real estate. And residential real estate has layers in it, right? It also has layers with respect to quality, A, B, and C. It also has layers with respect to scale, under 20 units, over 100 units, over 200 units in one location. So you really can't compare commercial to um, residential unless
right.
you're looking at residential at a commercial scale, meaning 150 units or higher. Then there are some comparisons to be made. But again, it's like the football, baseball scenario. Yeah, they're the same, but they reside in different lanes in the real estate world.
Thanks for your answer, John. Appreciate it.